Hey guys, I have some exciting news. I know I'm not wearing my hat and stuff. It's getting pretty late out, if you can see. It's getting pretty dark. It's about 9. It's 9:05 and it's dark. But I have something big to tell you guys. You know, if you watch Liam's account a while ago and my old account, you guys know that me and Liam used to always do videos. And I'm going over to Liam's house for a couple hours tomorrow, and we are probably gonna make like lots of videos on this channel, I think. We will get more into that at the end of the video, but the beginning is, you know these like Tide Pod craps? 2017 eating Tide Pods. Oh, I'm kidding. That's so over. I'll die. But this is like this kind, like this kind. This kind is like the like wet stuff. I have this stuff for the dishwasher, and I'm gonna make a video when I go home, which will probably be like, well, I'll be home like tomorrow, but that video's coming out next week. I'm gonna be running over one of those, but it has like dust in it. Today, you already know, we're gonna be running it over with the bike. Let's get some good speed. And I'm gonna go one-handed, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show you guys the damage. And I hope you guys subscribe and like if you guys are new, because I'm trying to get, if we can get 100 subscribers in a month, I will have like a big party and stuff. You guys ready? I'm gonna pull around, get some good speed. Before I do this, I'm gonna do a warning by myself, because I can't like edit that good, because the app doesn't really work that good, because I need it. I'm gonna try and get a good app, but warning, do not do this at home. This could be dangerous, just in case it explodes everywhere and it gets in your eyes and your mouth. Be careful. You guys ready for this? Be careful. Do not try this at home unless your mom or dad say so. I don't think they will. After this is done, we will talk more about Liam and what we're probably... Oh crap, this is hard to hold on. I don't know, guys. I can't hold on that good. What if I put you on this tree? You guys can maybe see what happens. Let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, you guys can see that. Alright, I'm not going that. Peace, guys. Subscribe. And let's get into this. Hey, we did it. We did it. Guys, hopefully you saw that. If not, I'll do another video tomorrow. Ow. But yeah, hopefully you guys saw that. I'll get this video. But it was like a pop noise. And this is the damage afterwards. You know, we gotta run it over. There's that time. Oh, it's starting. And that's the aftermath. I gotta go. Peace, guys.